Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Before we get started, I would like to give a big thank you to 5 Angeles for sponsoring today's video. They did go ahead and send me over some PR to go ahead and share with you guys. And look at what they sent me, you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited. Everybody has asked and they shall receive. They went ahead and sent over their full cover nails. They have short square and they have long square. Everybody has been wanting some new shapes and lengths, and here you go. I was so excited whenever they went ahead and sent these over to me. Thank you so much. I love square. I love the long ballerina as well, but everybody is into square. So since they went ahead and created these, I'll go ahead and get right into it and show you what they are. So if you have never heard of 5 Angeles before, they do create some acrylic sculpted full cover nail tips, and they have a whole system. So I will make sure that I go ahead and leave that linked in the description box below if you like to do gel X nails and like to just do your own nails at home. They are a great company to go ahead and get started with. The quality of these nails is amazing. I've never ever had nails with this type of material before. I've never worked with acrylic, so I'm assuming this is what acrylic press-ons feels like. And on my channel, I do mostly just create press-on nails, so being able to use these full cover nail tips for my press-ons is just amazing. I absolutely love them. And as you can see, the sizes are from 00. That's what they start with for the widest thumb. So don't worry if you have a big thumb, these will fit you. And I will say that these nail tips are made for, you know, people with more flatter nail beds. I do have like a curved thumb, and then I also have a couple other nails that are more curved, but most of my nails are flat. But I will say that these are more for flatter nail beds, but they still, I would think, work for anybody that has curved nails. You would have to test them out for yourself. I really couldn't tell you. My nails are just shaped so weird. I'm so sorry, but anyways, they do have like an apex in the middle. It's a built-in apex, and you don't have to build that yourself, which is great. So if you are a beginner doing your own nails at home, then this is a great system for you to start with. Okay, the apex is what gives the nail strength so that they don't break. And let me just tell you, these are the strongest full cover nails I've ever had. I highly recommend that you guys go ahead and pick up these full cover nails for yourself. As you can see, that apex is really nice. I absolutely love these full cover nail tips. I can't say that enough. Go ahead and make sure that you check out the link in the description box below, okay, and pick them up for yourself. They are nice, high quality press-on nails. If you do press on nails at home, I would highly suggest you start and you go ahead and use these full cover nail tips for your press-ons. This specific type of package that they sent me comes with 4 sheets of nails, and you get 15 different sizes. So like I said, from 00 all the way down to number 13. So I believe you have an excellent variety of different sizes for you to go ahead and choose from. So if you make custom press-ons as I do, or if you just want to make your own press-on nails at home, or if you want to use the Gel X system, these full cover nail tips are an excellent choice, and they're more affordable compared, you know, to other name brand high quality nail tips that I have researched. I've never tried the other brands, but I really couldn't say I would want to, since 5 Angeles has went ahead and came out with these, especially now that they have a short square. So for those of you ladies, or anybody out there that wants a shorter version of full cover nail tips and you prefer square, here you go. Here's the short square. And as you can see on the inside, it is etched. It's like matted out, and I am showing you the different lengths from the long square and the short square. So there is a pretty good, difference between the two. So I'm so excited to go ahead and use these. I can't wait. In today's video, I am going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and size your press-ons. So if you have never worn press-on nails before, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that the nails fit from sidewall to sidewall. If the press-on nail is too big, you want to go ahead and try the next one down. And if it's too small, you don't want to press down. You don't want to have any pressure pushing down on the nail tip. So you want to go ahead and go with the bigger size, and then you can just file down the edges. And I will go ahead and show you that for my cuticle area, I am going to have to go ahead and file around the nails. I have to do that with all my full cover nail tips. That's just the way my nails are. Some people have more rounded nail beds, some have more square. It just depends. So that's what's going to help make sure that your press-on nails last, because they won't get no lifting and no water will get underneath, to cause any fungus or anything nasty like that. So I did go ahead and size them off camera. Here you go. Here's how they look. Okay. So the way I prep my press-on nails, instead of buffing the surface, because you can't start painting the nails if there's a shiny surface, or else the gel polish will just slide off and peel and it won't stick. You either have to buff the top, buff the shine away, or like I do, I go ahead and apply a nice thin layer of some acid-free primer. Any primer will work. It doesn't matter what kind of primer you use. I just happen to have this one on hand. And then I go ahead and let that air dry for about a minute, and then I will go ahead and apply a base coat. I am going to go ahead and use this Born Pretty base coat. And then you want to go ahead and just apply a thin layer, and then you will cure for 60 seconds. And then after that has been cured, I am going to go ahead and start with the nail design. So I will go ahead and leave the products that I used in today's video linked in the description box below. And I will go ahead and let you just enjoy this process for right now. And I will come back here after a while and I'll let you know what the next step is. Right now I am just going to go ahead and start off with my French tip nails. This is how I try to do French tips. I am going to start practicing the real way you're supposed to do it. I just am more comfortable making my French tips like this. It's easy for me, but I do want to practice painting French tips the way you're supposed to. So I'll go ahead and make one thin layer on the thumb, middle, and pinky, and then I'll cure for 30 seconds, and then I'll come back with the second layer, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds to make sure it's cured all the way through. And then I'll apply my white gel polish, and I'll just go ahead and let you watch the rest. So I'll see you here in a minute. Okay, now it's time for the nail art. I am going to go ahead and use this really nice blue from Nail Reserve LA. I absolutely love their gel polishes. I do have a discount code and link that you can go ahead and check out in the description box below. If you have not tried their gel polishes, I highly recommend you go ahead and give them a try. You will be able to save 60% off your order when you purchase 2 or more items with my code, so make sure you go check them out. They have the best gel polishes I've ever tried. They're so creamy. They're one coat coverage and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So go ahead and try them out. And I did go ahead and with this nail design, I did try the thumb like a dozen times. It took me a while to get it right. So don't, get frustrated if you can't get it right the first time. I did. I just kept trying. Just trust the process. That's what I always say. You have to just trust the process when making press on nails or doing any nail design. So don't get too frustrated with yourself. Just keep practicing. Okay, if I can do it, you can do it. So go ahead and make the design how you wish. This is just pretty much whatever your heart desires. I did have a reference photo next to me and I did want to kind of change it up a little bit, so you can do what you feel you think looks nice on your nail design, or you can go ahead and change it up. Just make it your own. That's all I want to just say. Like, just make it your own, any nail design that you do. And after I do go ahead and create the nail art, I will go ahead and cure for 60 seconds on each nail, and I will do the other nails off camera just because it was a little bit of time consuming. So I'll show you here in a minute how they turned out. I did have to go ahead and fix the lime nails off camera because I forgot to round the edges, and then I did go ahead and apply the 3D effect with that same top coat. It is my Savvyland top coat in my Beetles gel polish bottle, so I thought I'd go ahead and add that in there, and I will leave it in the description box below for you to go ahead and try out. It is a nice thick consistency, so I highly recommend you use that if you don't have any rhinestone glue. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you like the video and leave a comment down below if you've made it this far. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.